Model, 64-plate Vauxhall Combo 2300 1.3CDTi 16-valve ES, 90 PS, L1H1 gigalitre crossing simple fixed low miles. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 93,399. Engine, 1,248 cc 1.3D. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Handbrake cable will need replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £3,975. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.